I see it.
You do?
No, I saw it. I thought I saw it.
Heads up.
It's in orbit.
I bet it's in space a little bit. I wish I hang down.
Holy shit!
The airplane will find it.
Wow.
Did you need airport clearance for that?
There it is! Something's coming down.
Holy crap, everyone.
Unless it's a bird.
I'm scared.
Right here, it's flat. Unless it's a bird, something's coming down. But I don't see a shoe.
Well, kind of keep
Oh yeah, I see it. It's coming.
Get out of here.
It's coming.
Oh, I see it.
It's coming. It's coming. It's going to the tree farm. No, it's going to be right here.
Where?
I don't see it.
Is that it or up? That's it.
Where, Dad? Right there.
I don't see a shoe.
Oh, I see it. I see it. It's black. It's
Maybe
black.
it's a part of it.
Alright, you see it?
I don't.
It's black.
Oh yeah.
It's not that high anymore.
No, it's a bird.
Is it really a bird?
It's flying.
It's flipping all over the place.
Yeah, yeah.
No, that might be it.
That's not a bird.
I lost it.
Me too.
It is a bird. It's a bird.
It's a bird.
That's
a bird way
Yeah,
up there?
that's a bird.
So now we probably missed it because we're all staring over there.
What about that airplane? I hope that didn't hit that.
Appeared out of nowhere.
Where's Uncle Red?
He's out there.
Wait, did Uncle Red see it?
Uncle Rick.
He'd have a good view if he saw it.
Oh my
Who's up
God.
there?
Oh, he was farther than that
Why is he
retriever.
out
Maybe you killed him or wounded the bird.
Yeah, he's pretty erratic.
there? What happened to this?
Whoa.
That one was...
That What?
should have been farther back. All you're seeing is a tube like that from this angle.
Yeah, you gotta get back.
That was far.
I have no idea.
Pick up that one rocket so you don't step on it.
That was far. Dad probably
Yeah,
went
we need to
that
buy like 3 more rockets like that.